Yo, what up YouTube? What up YouTube? My name is Abdi. I'm here with my brother Mohammed. Say what's up, bro?
What's up, YouTube?
So we're gonna play Would You Rather today. So yeah, we don't got no phone and shit. We're not using that. We're just gonna play it our way. So yeah, guys. Okay, Mohammed, I'm gonna ask you this. Would you rather die virgin or live virgin?
Live virgin.
Okay, it's your turn, Mohammed.
Would you rather be black forever or be white forever?
I'd rather be what I am, probably black.
Right?
Okay, would you rather pick money or girl?
That's a hard one. Damn. Both?
No, you can't. You gotta pick one. The girl or the money?
Money.
Alright. Alright, it's your turn.
Would you rather be poor or ugly?
Ooh. I wanna be poor. I don't want to be Alright, go.
It's your turn, my nigga.
Alright.
You're gonna ask.
Would you rather have a Bugatti or a Toyota?
God.
That shit nice, right? I know. It's your turn.
Alright. Would you rather be like diesel, but like you don't have that much money, but you still got some money, or like skinny and you're rich?
Oh, I would be scared of that. That's fire. Okay, would you rather kill your sister or kill your mom? Who would you pick? This nigga gonna kill his sister. Alright, your turn, bro.
Would you rather be fast be fast and ugly, or be like slow as fuck but sexy?
Okay. Alright. I wanna be fast and ugly because that shit been fire. Speed is life, baby. I take that shit serious though. Alright. This is the last one. Would you rather save your mom or save your sister?
I already told you I want to kill my sister. So save my mom.
Alright, ask me one more question. Alright. This is where we're gonna end the video. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.